In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a company in HubSpot CRM. If you're new to HubSpot, or even if you're a seasoned user, learning how to add and manage company records is essential for keeping your customer relationship management system organized and effective. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add a new company to your database step by step, ensuring you can track interactions and plan efficiently. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Now, logging in is important because it gives you access to your HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your main control center for managing all your business data and tools. After logging in, take a look at the left-hand side of the dashboard. This is where you'll find the sidebar. Hover over it and you'll notice a variety of options appear. This sidebar is essentially your navigation hub for all the major features in HubSpot. From here, click on the section labeled Contacts. This is the area where HubSpot helps you manage all the individuals and companies that interact with your business. Once you're in the Contacts section, look just below it and click on the Companies option. The Companies section specifically focuses on managing the organizations in your database, keeping all your company-related data centralized and easy to access. Now that you're on the Companies page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Create Company. Go ahead and click that button. This action will open up a form where you can input the details for the new company you want to add to your CRM system. Once the form opens, you'll need to fill in the required fields. At minimum, you'll need to provide the company name and its domain. These details are crucial because HubSpot uses this information to automatically gather additional data about the company, such as its size or industry, helping you save time and keep your records accurate. After you've entered all the necessary information, make sure to double-check your inputs for accuracy. Once everything looks good, hit the Save button to finalize and add the new company record to your database. Saving this record ensures that the company is now officially part of your CRM system, ready for you to track interactions, assign tasks, or plan your next steps. And that's it. You've successfully set up a new company in HubSpot CRM. By following these steps, you've taken an important step in organizing your business data and making your CRM more efficient. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this process, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.